Walking across a hardwood floor barefoot and feeling absolutely nothing, no grit, no crumbs, no mysterious sticky spots, is a small luxury that usually costs either a fortune in professional services or hours of your own labor. Most of us just accept the reality that floors stay messy until we finally find the energy to grab a heavy mop. But this new budget-friendly cleaning beast is flipping that script. It packs a serious punch with suction power that rivals the most expensive machines on the market. It hits pressure levels that can literally yank fine dust out of the deep cracks in your floorboards. If you have pets that shed constantly, this thing is a total lifesaver for those hidden hairballs under the couch. It is not just a vacuum though. We have all seen those cheap robots that just drag a damp, dirty cloth across the floor like they are barely trying. This one is fundamentally different because it utilizes dual rotating pads. They actually spin and scrub the surface with real pressure. Think about how you would clean a stubborn spot on the kitchen floor. You would put some muscle into it and rub in circles. That is exactly what this machine mimics. It is doing the manual labor while you are out living your life or catching up on sleep. The brain inside this little unit is surprisingly sharp for the price point. It uses sophisticated laser navigation to build a precise digital blueprint of your entire home. It does not just aimlessly bump into your furniture like a confused beetle. It knows exactly where it is and exactly where it needs to go next. This leads to clean, efficient parts that cover every square inch without wasting power. One of the smartest tricks up its sleeve is how it handles area rugs. We all have that fear of a robot soaking a plush carpet with dirty mop water. This machine actually detects the change in surface and physically lifts its wet pads up and away from the ground. Your rugs stay bone dry while your hard floors get a fresh shine. You can manage every single detail through a smartphone app. You can draw invisible walls, set up specific no-go zones for the dog's water bowl, or schedule a full clean for the exact moment you leave the house. It even integrates with your voice assistants, so you can just tell it to get to work while you're sitting on the couch. The battery is another massive highlight. It can run for nearly 3 hours straight on a single charge. That is enough juice to cover a sprawling floor plan without needing a mid-session nap at the charging station. The dustbin is also surprisingly generous, so you are not constantly hovering over it to empty the tray every 10 minutes. We have to keep it real though. It is not a miracle worker. While those spinning bags are fantastic for daily maintenance, they are not going to vanish a week-old dried soda spill that has basically turned into blue. It is meant for keeping things fresh, not for heavy-duty restoration. It also has a bit of a grudge against loose cables. If you leave a phone charger or a stray shoelace on the floor, be prepared for a rescue mission. The software can also be a little temperamental at times. You might run into a glitch where the map needs a quick refresh or the app takes a second to catch up. But when you look at the bigger picture, the value is hard to ignore. You are getting flagship features that were locked behind a $1,000 price tag just a short while ago. This is really about reclaiming your Saturday mornings and skipping the backache. Coming home to a house that feels professionally cleaned every single day changes your mood. It makes the technology feel less like a fancy gadget and more like a silent partner in your daily routine that simply gives you your time back.